welcome to another channel update. My name is Infiniti, and today I'm giving you guys the first actual channel update of 2019. A few things. So one cool thing is that I am looking and expanding into affiliate programs. So what that means for the channel in the future is basically you guys will be able to follow along with the same materials that I'm using throughout my tutorials, whether it be art tutorials or craft tutorials or somewhere in between. Similarly, I have been planning out a giveaway. So I've decided that once I reach 100 followers on my channel, I am going to go for a giveaway. So what's given away is kind of up to you guys. I'm gonna leave it kind of broad. Art supplies versus craft supplies. The craft supplies can go as far as, let's say, knitting needles, crochet hooks, stuff like that. Maybe even yarn if I'm feeling it. Different apparatus to help make your crafting life easier. On the art side, it can range anywhere from simple pencils to paints, paintbrush sets, something cool and useful to you guys as my followers. Back to the affiliate thing, I am super excited because not only am I able to link you guys to the things that I'm using in tutorials like this. Isn't this purple beautiful? This is the same yarn that I used from my Christmas unboxing, and I plan on using it soon to make another thick blanket. And I might even do a video for that. I haven't decided yet, but it'd be sometime in March. You know, you gotta make your stuff for winter ahead of schedule. So that's something to look forward to. Let's see, I gotta stop saying but I would be able to link that yarn to you guys where I get it from because it's less expensive where I buy it from. The wait time for delivery is a little lengthy, but I find it worth it, as opposed to paying like $20 for a hank of yarn in that size. Well, it's not really yarn, it's roving, but still paying for that much for a ball of yarn, as opposed to getting like 10 pieces for $50. That was unbeatable, and I'm super happy with that shop right now. So through my affiliate links, I'll be able to share that with you guys. And of course, it helps me out when you guys actually buy the supplies. So it's a win-win situation, and I look forward to expanding into that later in the year. I'm also looking at some minor adjustments for the logo and just a bunch of little kind of housekeeping maintenance kind of things that I wanted to keep you guys updated on as the year continues. So that's pretty much it for today, and until next time, happy making!